Hello, my name is Alex Knoch. I'm the head of KHG Grinding Systems, and today we are here in the pit to check our newest high chrome roller.
Thanks to the mechanically ground profiling of our high chrome bandage, we can ensure a crack-free surface. This enables trouble-free operation over the entire roller lifetime.
Our ground profile wears in shape during operation, so a reprofiling is not required, even after 20,000 hours of operation. One of the benefits of this high chrome bandage is that you can supply it fully machined to each customer around the world. They need only to do the shrink fitting at site or in their workshop. Depending on the application, if you grind cement types or raw material, the high chrome bandage can achieve lifetimes far over 50,000 hours.
You can expect only 1 or 2 maintenance stops for edge grinding. Downtime and maintenance are drastically reduced. Consider what this means for your operation.
Our high chrome roller is especially suitable for raw material and cement clinker. The surface is very forgiving and also does not crack even if oversized particles are from time to time ground.
We are proud to be the only supplier for mechanically profiled, high chrome, compound casted, one-piece rollers.
If you want to learn more, reach out to our experts.